Nice flowers by the elderberries. Picking some late elderberries. I saw them on the side of the road, so I'm going to pick them up. At least I give a few drops of juice from these. I got a few more in a bucket that I picked from other places that I've seen. They're almost gone, so better get them while I can. Well, this will be the last of the elderberries this year. I got a couple more places that I think I've seen some. I'm going to go check them out too. Yeah, this is on the way out to the highway. The highway's behind me. I can hear it. Let me show you. See, there's a highway. There's a stop sign up there. At the end of the, right past those trees. That's the highway. And I keep seeing this when I go to town. So I'm going to stop and pick them before the birds get them. So I remembered it today. I actually came back because I was picking some others that I saw. So I'm going to get these first. Or last. These are the last ones I want to get today. There's a few more to here, but they look like they are half dead. I'm not sure, but I think they got sprayed by when they sprayed these beans for weeds. They got sprayed. So these may have been sprayed too, but I always wash them anyway. I always wash the berries. And they're not dead, so. And there's the highway. And they're not dead. It looks like the birds been picking on them. Yeah, a lot of them been picked off, but I'll get what's left. You know, and I'll I got a bucket full, so that should be enough for 2 bottles. There was last time. I picked some. Well, I got a bouquet of elderberries. They're falling off already. I don't want to shake them off that little patch there. Okay, put these in the bucket and I'm going to go home. Yeah. Okay. This was the last batch I'm going to pick this year anyway. Okay. Oh, by the way, today is September 8th, 2023. Well, I got a bucket full. This is the berries that I cooked last night from my other batch that I picked a couple days ago. I got a little bit of juice, maybe a bottle and a half, maybe a bottle. But anyway, this has more stems in it. See, I just left all the big stems in because I didn't want to. I just pulled it out of the bucket and stuffed it in the pot. But today I did a little bit more finesse on it. I cut off the berries. I threw away the big stems. I'll show you them too. This is how much I got from the batch that I picked on September 8th. But I just first cooked it last night. It was a bucket. It was a bucket, a 5-gallon bucket, but it wasn't packed full. The one I picked today, I didn't have any big buckets because I got them filled with corn. So I used a little red bucket, and I packed that full because there was more than I thought. And the ones I picked today were right across the road from my house and little pasture. So I'm going to put these in a bottle now. This is a bottle. This is the batch from 9/8, which I cooked last night on 9/10. Today's 9/11 and 9/11/2023, and this is the elderberry juice from the berries that I picked on September 8th. They sat in a bucket for 2 days, and I finally cooked them today on last night on 9/10. I cooked them on 9/10, and I wound up straining it. I strained the juice today. And I also picked some more berries today, which I'm just started to cook now. There was more than I thought, and they were close too. Anyway, these were spread out. I got these in 3 or 4 different, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 different places. Yeah, along the side of the road. But these are right across the road. I knew they were there, but I just didn't know they were right. I guess I picked some earlier. I picked some before. about a month ago, or maybe a couple weeks ago, maybe, and I guess they weren't all ripe, so I forgot to go back and check. But anyway, I drive by them all the time, so I guess I just don't look at them. But I saw them today, so I picked them. And I'm thinking I'm going to get maybe 3 bottles from that batch. Even though it was a smaller bucket, I had them packed in pretty tight. And then the pot was I processed them a little differently. I cut the stems off of these, the big stems. This batch I didn't cut the stems off because I was too lazy. But with these bottles, I'm going to go ahead and freeze these. I'm running out of. These were old plastic bottles from A&W root beer. I guess I have to buy some more root beer because I'm running out of bottles for my water. I use these for water too. But anyway, I'm going to put these in the freezer now. Add to my collection.